Awakening beside his wife in their campsite, the father's senses perked at the strange noise coming from the direction of their children's tent. He slipped out of the sleeping bag, careful not to wake his wife. Those kids were in big trouble if they were still awake. Silently, he circled the cold campfire and approached their tent. He unzipped it quietly as moonlight filtered through the trees, casting eerie shadows on the fabric walls. Inside, his children appeared fast asleep, oblivious to his presence and whatever had made the sound. He watched them a little longer, his eyes straining in the dark. Then, satisfied, he was about to go back to his tent when he realized the dark shadow in the corner was rising and lengthening, and that in fact, it was not a shadow at all.